Hey folks, it's Jerry from York River Cannabis, and today we're going to be reviewing Impact Implement's 8-disc tiller. So let me tell you a little bit about this implement. It is by far the least favorite of all the implements that we've purchased here on the farm. Currently we own the 6-tine cultivator and the 52-inch plow. One of the main reasons why I do not like this tiller is that it really is kind of clunky. If you were to get a tiller specifically designed to only till, I think you would do better, and if that's all you're looking for, this may not be your answer. It's very stiff with the discs. And one of the big problems I've had with it is if it gets stuck, it'll back off the nuts inside that hold those discs in place. Overall, given the fact that Impact Implements has so many implements that go onto their one lift system, it makes it worth it. If you're just looking for a tiller, this may not be the one for you. Now that we've used the 6-tine cultivator in another review, if you want to see how that does, we're going to take this down to the field and give it a shot and have it break up some ground. Okay, so we've brought the tiller down to the field here where we've been working on our extra row for our hemp grow. So again, when I brought it over, it just reiterated how clunky this thing is. It's also extremely heavy for the suspension of the Polaris. You can jack it up just a little bit, but it's still going to drag on the ground. So overall, it's not their best implements from Impact Implements, but it does the job. So we're going to show you how it does. You can make your own decision. Okay, so don't forget to put it in 4x4 and low. Let's take it for a rip. Come on, ready? Well folks, that's my review on Impact Implement's 8-disc tiller. You know, it's not the best piece of equipment in the world, but it gets the job done. If you are going to purchase this, I highly recommend watching our other video on our 6-tine cultivator in conjunction with the 8-disc tiller. Makes this piece of equipment a little bit better. So hopefully this review helps in your purchase. Don't forget to hit the like button on this video. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos on Impact Implements and our hemp grow. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at York River Cannabis.